Hello my friends, how are you today? So I haven't been too well lately. I've had a virus in the chest. I haven't been able to talk properly or anything, but I'll just quickly show you what's going on. So I've got these guys nearly ready to go. This beautiful dragon kit that's come up really well. I'm adding all these little details to it, and you see down behind the driver I put in a little Shell golden oil. Got some of the figures coming along, so nearly got the rest in. I've been spending lots of time just doing the details on them. See there they've got their arm insignia and they've got some nice eagles on their chest. Same with these guys. It's coming along really well, so just getting to see these little details done. Little oil can, and that's a great kit by Mini-Art. The oil cans and this one, is it? Probably one of their best accessory kits, I reckon. You got to have this one in your stash. Oil and petrol cans, it's really cool. And you get this really, really cool decal sheet with all these different cool things on it. Really nice. But yeah, it's sort of, you can add a lot of detail, you know, with the American and British and German sort of stuff. You can see there I've added this tiny little decal on this one. Little Marley one. That'll be for the American half-track. So, there, just filling him up with all these different oils and stuff. But yeah, also sorting out the ammunition. So, we've got the pack ammunition there, pack 75. The Mini-Art one's better, I reckon, than the Dragon one. You get better decals with it. And that's the Dragon one there. And then we've got some 88. We've got some 100mm Soviet ammo. And then we've got the KWK 75 for the tanks, for the German tanks and Stugs. That would be for that. But yeah, just having a whole lot of fun. Like doing these little details, you'll get really caught up. They take up a lot of time, but well worth it. So I've got some more boxes. So pack ammunition. So this, I'll probably have 3 boxes stored in there. So they'll have 9 rounds of ammo ready to go. And then we've got the cannon to go with it. Just start to sort of get the dirt ready underneath. Just glued the cannon on, so it's ready to go. All right, I'm going to go see a friend because it's his birthday, and then we'll speak again soon. Hopefully I can come back later tonight and we can have a bit of a chat and have a look at some things. See, I'm there painting some more oil tins, and I've got that little funnel there. So hopefully we can have a good chat a bit later. I'll speak to you again very soon.